I think it's our attention to detail, our hard work, dedication that we put into each of our products that we manufacture. I think that we, being born out of the racing industry, we really take pride in the products that we manufacture and put together, and we do the best in everything that we put our minds to. The significance of the attention to detail in the NASCAR Next Gen Program, this is the highest tier of auto racing in America. There is no room for failure in this series, and we understand that when we manufacture product and when we put product on the car. We are manufacturing and assembling parts for all teams. So teams are putting their trust in us to make sure that the product is correct and conforming, and that they can go out and be competitive on a weekly basis.